Hello guys. Alam niyo kung nasaan ako guys? Nandito ako sa forest. Naglalakad as usual. Susunod ako ng mga bata. Dito na ako nag-start mag-video kasi nagsawa na kayo sa kalalakad namin. Di same place lang din pinupuntahan. Kaya nandito na ako sa forest. Dito na ako nag-start. Susunduin ko yung mga bata. Ano na ngayon, time check is 3:35. Tapos kasi nila ng school 3:15, may club sila, so hanggang 4:15 sila sa school, may bridge club sila, so susunduin natin sila. Tapos ewan ko sa kanila kung gusto nila maglakad or magbus pa uwi. Basta ako hindigan ko ang maglakad kasi maganda yung panahon. Maaraw dito guys, mahangin. Dinig nyo naman yung mga yung hangin, mga ibon. At tignan nyo yung mga dahon-dahon na talagang nag-aanuhan sila sa hangin. At ang sarap maglakad dito sa forest kasi matahimik. Tahimik at mga ibon lang naririnig. May mga tao din na naglalakad. At doon na may mga batang naglalaro sa park kanina, nalampasan ko. Kaya hindi naman nakakatakot maglakad dito kahit mag-isa ka. Basta daytime naman. Unless lang kung madilim na, kaya ko na rin maglakad dito. Ay, buhay-buhay. Kumusta ang buhay niyo guys? Anong lunch natin dyan? Ako nagluto ako ng ng mamoy. Nagluto ako ng baboy adobo. Adobo sinigang. Ayun, may nagbike. Lanampasan tayo. Ngayon, dapat sila na maghatid sa mga bata ngayon after bridge kasi nagtuturo siya ng birds sa school. Tapos sasabay niya yung mga bata pa uwi. Kaso nga lang, wala si Nana ngayon. Andun siya sa Cardiff. Nag-alaga ng mga apo dun. Kaya wala tayong choice kundi sunduin yung mga bata. Okay lang din naman. Responsibility naman nating sunduin kasi gumawa-gawa tayo nag-anak-anak tayo. Kaya responsibilidad nating sunduin, wag iasa sa iba. 'Di ba? Nakakahingal maglakad. Ayan guys. Kaya ito tayo. Kanina umaga naglinis ako ng bahay. Off natin kasi kaya naglinis tayo ng bahay, nagluto, naglaba. Kaya wala tayong tulog ngayong maghapon. Tapos sundo ng mga bata para diretso ang tulog natin mamayang gabi, diba, para pagod ang person, makatulog na mahaba, para hindi talagang pa-summer na dito guys. At tignan yung mga puno, puro may dahon na, happy na sila, green na sila. Kaya yan, samahan nyo kami guys. Ewan ko kung anong mapag-anuhan ng dalawa mamaya, kung magbabas, kung mag-aaya na naman kakain sa labas, magbabas o maglakad. Sasamahan nyo na lang kami. Sabi ko kahapon sa tatay natin, gusto kong pumunta ng town kasi gusto kong bumili ng yung vitamins na iniinom ko, naubos na yung turmeric kong iniinom. Pero dahil nagka-busy ako sa bahay, paglilinis at saka pagluluto, hindi ako nakapunta. Baka bukas na lang kung sisipagin ako. Kasi bukas may swimming yung mga bata. So pag ako ang sumundo, pagpunta ko ng town, bili ng vitamins, so sunduin sila. Tapos diretso ng swimming. Kasama na natin ang tatay natin. Kung sisipagin ako, kung hindi, next time na lang. Kasi may pasok ako bukas ng gabi Kaya kung sisipagin ako, maglakad ako sa town, makakabili ako ng vitamins. Turmeric pa lang naman ang wala. Yung iba kong iniinom, mayroon pa naman. Kaya carry pa. Ayan, malapit na tayo sa town. Ay, malapit na tayo sa Waitrose. Tapos, sabi ka ng mga bata, pag nasa Waitrose territory na daw tayo, consider town na daw yun, sabi ng mga bata. Waitrose territory, may nalalaman ano. Kaya ayan guys. Nakakahingal maglakad, no? Siguro kayo rin napapagod na pag nakikita nyo kami naglalakad. Kayo ang napapagod siguro. Lalang, gusto lang maglakad. Kasi sa mahal na ng gasolina ngayon, ibig sabihin, mahal na rin ang pamasahe ng bus. Diba? Kaya magtiyaga tayong maglakad. Ayan na. Ibali na tayong mapagod sa paglalakad. Maganda naman para sa atin. Diba? Kaya yan guys, samahan nyo na lang ulit kami. Salamat pa rin lagi-lagi sa pagsusuport at panonood. Kahit mga walang sense lang mga sinasabi namin o mga pinaggagawa namin, andyan pa rin kayo. Thank you so much. Maaga pa naman tayo. Ang labasan ng mga bata is 3:45. No, 4:15. Ngayon ay 3:45 pa lang. So may 30 minutes pa tayo. Baka daan ako dito sa charity shop para tingin kung ano makikita natin dyan. Kahit libro lang ng mga bata. Para hindi tayo makabili-bili ng bago-bagong libro ng mahal-mahal. Tingin na lang tayo sa charity shop. Diba? So, ayan. Ayan na. Malapit na tayo sa Waitrose territory. Nasabi ni ating consider town na daw. Ayan. Hello guys. Nahanap ko na si ate. Pero si ading nawawala. Asan na kaya siya?
Only child.
Only child na daw si ate. Ito na guys.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dito pala siya. Dito pala siya.
You're not the only child now.
So, ayan. Nag-decide sila na maglalakad daw kami, guys. We're walking home. Panindigan ko na to. Tapos, pero bibili lang muna kami ng ma-snack nila dyan sa Waitrose. Si ate kumakain ng chicherya. May dala siyang chicherya mula sa bahay. Si ading, wala siyang dalang snack. So, bibili lang kami ng makakain para hindi nila mamamalayang nasa bahay na. Kakain sila on the way home para walang pagod. Ayan.
Lucy pare.
Lucy na naman.
You can say, just buy something in Waitrose and then you're gonna have to go home.
No, I got something there. Dito guys, may dala-dala ako isang bag na mga cards. Mga cards and bits of pieces. Kasi nga naglaro sila ng bridge. So, wala si Nana. Si ate ang nagdala ng mga gamit. Mga gagamitin sa pagbe-bridge. Kaya yan, ako tuloy ang nagdala. Lalakad pa man din kami. Maglalakad kami, kaya may bit-bit ako. Pero okay lang, at least matagtag naman ako konti, diba? So, bili lang kami konting snack dyan sa bridge. Ay, dyan sa Waitrose. So, samahan nyo kami guys sa paglalakad. Wala naman akong pasok, kaya okay lang naman ulit kami makauwi. 4:15 pa lang naman. Ayan. Yes, darling.
6 o'clock or 7 o'clock.
Yeah.
Can I go on my phone? It's because 4 of my friends are gonna play Roblox.
Oh my. Nakipag-arrange ka na naman ng laro-laro sa phone.
Please, we're gonna play
No,
Roblox.
we'll see. We'll see how fast you eat your dinner. And see if we got time to go on the phone. If not, sorry.
How about
Ito na kami sa Waitrose. Bibilhin daw ni ate is croissant at saka drinks. Ading. Si Ading bibili ng mainom niya sa daan. Ano yan? Dr. Pepper? Coffee? Magkano yung coffee nila dito? Ito yun, oh. kunin mo. Oh.
You want to get
O, dali. Bili sila ng croissant. Wala man akong bibilhin guys. Namalingki kami nung isang araw. Kaya okay na ako. Walang bili-bili. Mga snack lang nila saglit. Pizza. Ading. Ayaw man. Hinisnab nila yung cake. Ito oh. Itong croissant ading oh. Psst, psst. Ayan oh. Asan si ate? Yeah, all butter. Ito oh. Croissant. Gusto pa yung freshly baked. Arte. Ano yan? Oh, cookie. Okay. Ikaw ading. Cookie na lang din. Hati kayo ni ate oh. Ha? How about, Ading, do you want cross bun? Hot cross bun? Ano? Hot, ano? Hot cross bun. Isa lang guys. Kasi, apat naman na to. Apat ang laman nitong hot cross bun. Anong gusto mo? Vanilla or, ayan, vanilla. Or cinnamon is nice. Get cinnamon. I can share with you. Okay, come on, let's go.
You know I still have my gum.
Huh? What? Spit it out when you get outside.
Like that? In the bin.
Ito na guys, nakabili na kami. So, nakakuha na kami. At babayad na ang person.
Ate! Ito!
Ito, dati. Ito, oh.
Me.
Uy, ayan tuloy. Nahulog. Kanya te.
I didn't have any.
Where's your watch?
I didn't have Coca-Cola.
Where's your watch? 0. 11 something. Manage? Ayan. Well done. Receipt? Yes, just in case.
Thank you for showing me wait.
Oh, yung croissant. Ay, yung cross bun. Lagay mo dito. Thank you.
For now. And then I'm sure
Ay, ako pa nagdala lahat. Ako na pinagdip-dip lahat. Ayan na. Uwi na kami guys. Nakabili na ng snack.
Thank you.
What does it taste like?
I have no idea. I think said it's pretty good as vanilla. I opened mine.
Why Ate can't open her?
Because I'm scared.
What? Scared for? You didn't shake it. So long that you don't shake it, it's not gonna be exploding. It's not explode. It's not gonna explode.
It's too good.
Let me try. Kasi lagi kaming Coke, guys. Ngayon naman,
Okay,
Dr.
Dr. Pepper's my
Pepper.
favorite now.
Really?
Yes.
Ew.
What you
I
doing?
still prefer Coke. Wow. I still prefer Coke. Open your snack, Ading. Can I have some?
Girl.
Lang ya. Naglalakad ako, guys. Sabi ko matagtag ako. Kain naman ako ng kung ano-anong rubbish. Ano kaya yun?
When did you eat your lunch?
I didn't eat lunch. Kunyari mag-exercise pero panay naman ang kain ng mga rubbish. Ano kaya yun? Buksan mo na yung snack mo, Ading. Asan na yung snack mo?
Inside that. Okay. Look up.
This. Magic word, mister.
What's the magic word?
So what's the magic word?
Hurry. I was just joking.
Dumichiki. What's the magic word?
Please.
Ay, sus. Bastos to. Thank you.
Thank you. Hurry.
Na. Uwi na kami. So how's school?
Fun.
Ano kinakain mo? Balik mo yan.
Okay.
Saan mo na naman kinuha yan?
Waitrose.
Ha?
Waitrose. That
Did you
bought
pick
it.
that up in Waitrose? When?
This morning.
Why?
I didn't eat any of it. Me neither. Yeah, that was Why does this expire like tomorrow? Gusto mo?
Ha?
Gusto mo? It's not gusto mo. It's gusto
Wala na. Wala na kami. It's not gusto mo. Gusto mo. Harap. Ang sarap.
pera. Uh-oh.
What?
We changed it.
Oh yeah, just noticed it. I walked earlier. I walked here and I didn't even notice. Oh, they changed.
Has changed it.
Pinalitan na nila yung ano dito, oh.
After that's new. As long as they don't change that one, I'm fine.
Why was the adding?
Yeah. Wow.
Pinalitan na nila. Ngayon ko lang napansin. Pag di napansin ni ate, pag hindi sinabi ni ate, hindi ko rin napansin. Ano?
By the way, it's still there. You.
Oh, ako daw yun aso na yun, oh. Galit lagi. Kita niyo yung aso. Laging galit.
That's what Ate said.
Why me? Because the angry face?
You always follow us. I was joking.
Always follow us. If I need to, I will. Yeah? Why do I follow you?
Because Mum loves us.
No, why do I follow you?
Magnet.
Bangad, yes.
Magnet.
I follow you when you bangad. So, you will thank me when you big boy. When you grow up.
When I go up.
You know, I grew up with palo as well.
Yeah.
Yeah. Look what I become now. I become good girl.
Big bang.
See? See? With palo, will grow up big, like big boy and big girl.
And
Good
then-
boy and good girl.
And then
Ano daw?
When
Naintindihan niyo yun?
when I'm older, I'm gonna follow. I'm gonna follow.
What? Palo who?
My children. If
No.
I even have one, I'm gonna adopt one.
Why? Why do you need to follow them? You only follow them with a reason.
It's big. I'm gonna adopt Andrew.
Follow them with a reason. Don't follow them just for fun. Is it? Don't you think?
That sounds fun.
Do you think? Do you think you got to follow them for fun? Huh, ate? No. So follow them for a reason. If they're bangad, yes.
Hawakan.
Excuse me.
I'll put a.
No, my bag is too heavy now. So, thank you. No, not monkey bar. Just keep walking. No monkey bar. You got your bag. If you go. Today is Tuesday. Bridge day. Ha? Maraming mga nagtatatak.
Tender juicy pare.
Ano guys, naglalakad.
Guys, tender
Babysit.
juicy pare.
Tinder juicy pare. Where's your jumper, Ading?
It's in my bag.
Bakit ka nagtanggal ng jumper? Bakit mo tinanggal? Anong Sabi ko, bakit mo tinanggal?
What was in that Sainsbury bag?
Book in charity shop.
From the charity shop.
Yeah. I
Wait,
found
charity?
All Star.
Oh.
All Star.
The one next to Waitrose.
Okay guys.
So go play the part.
Done. Huwag na
so far
mag-play.
away.
I know. Huwag na mag-play. Let's just keep walking. Daming tao guys no, sa daanan to. Kasi uwian na yung mga nagtrabaho. Tsaka uwian na yung mga nag-school. Mga malalaki. Mga estudyanteng malalaki. Hindi mga elementary. Yeah. Ayan. Pauwi na rin kami. Ano?
Walang pera sa ate.
Walang pera si ate.
Well, at least I got more than you.
Broke si ate.
No, I'm not.
Oh, you're not. Nahilo na ata si
No,
ate.
actually, it wasn't.
Napagod na tumakbo.
It wasn't in the back. I had the Mrs. Lee
Nagpapahinga.
told us.
Papahinga si ate.
Miss Lee from the Bonsai Assistant Deputy, I think, and she said that if you're late to school,
Yeah.
then that means you get an after school detention.
Oh dear. Yung sinasabi niya yung bagong
And
school niya
the
sa
gates
high
only
school.
open for 10 minutes.
Wow! Kasi mag-high school na to guys, year 7 sa September. Ngayon yung Burnside, doon siya mag-aaral ng high school. Pumunta daw yung mga head teacher? What? Head deputy?
Yes.
Ayan, sinasabi niya. Kasi pumunta, nag-visit sila sa school nila ngayon. Sinasabi daw na, ayan nga, pag na-late, blah blah blah, no? Pag na-late ay ano? May kaparusahan. Punishment. Very strict, see? That's why
Apparently
you got to grow up with discipline. So, if you bangad, you get palo.
No, Mama.
As always.
Apparently, if I'm
Ganun ako magpalaki, guys. Ganun ako magpalaki. Pag bangad sila, may punishment. Kaya, para matuto. Ganun kasi kami lumaki akong ganun. Kaya, hindi naman sa dudugo. Hindi naman sila sa papaluin na yung dudugo. Yung ano lang ba? Palo lang, sapit lang, ganun. Pero talagang pamalo sa akin. Minsan kung wala akong maabot na pamalo, yung wooden spoon, yung ano namin, wooden spoon namin, yung panghalo, pag nagluluto. Yung pamalo ko. Kasi makukulit. May palo.
Mama.
You use a long white stick.
I know, but if I can't find it, I use the wooden spoon. Remember, ate?
Yes.
Yeah?
Mama.
Ano?
There are house teams.
What do you mean half things?
House teams, and if you're, you know the color of the tie.
Uh-huh.
That's the
Yeah,
house
group.
team.
Yeah.
Yeah.
House by
and,
house, yeah.
And if your team gets the most points after
Every term.
every term, they get to go on activity for a whole day.
Wow.
What everyone else is
That's
in
fun.
class.
That's fun. So you got to work harder so your team will win
And
every...
apparently, I think they said after a week, before the summer holidays, whoever got the most points then will be going to a trip somewhere for the whole day while everyone else
Wow.
is in class studying.
Wow. That's
Apparently
fun.
also,
That's fun.
when you do one class and then you want to go to another,
Yeah.
you only have 5 minutes together.
Ooh. Oh dear. One subject to what other subject you meant?
But also, if you get a timetable,
Yeah.
it will be the exact same for the whole year until year 8.
Well, I hope you know your timetable.
I know, they will give it to us on the first day of September.
Yeah. When you go for transition. Yes, then.
The transition in June.
Yeah.
I won't give my kid discipline.
You won't. You won't.
Yeah.
So you just want them to do what they want. Huh?
No, like if the bangad, I won't ballot them. But
What are you gonna do?
I'll just scold them.
Really? We'll
Maybe
see.
grounded, it's a
I
choice.
No, I'll just ground them or
That's good.
send them to the room with no mobile.
Bath.
Mobile.
Mobile. Good. Let's see. Okay. I hope you do better parenting than me. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. That's good. I'm glad to hear that. I'm glad to hear that. Ayan na. So, uwi na kami guys. Dito na lang muna tayo sa park na kaya. Bye.
Are we going to meet them when we get back home?
I'm not sure. We'll see. Babush.
Babushki.
Babushki, babushki.
Maybe see you at home. Maybe
Bye.
see you at home. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.